So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. These are 3 packages. This one is some stuff from Glossier World. This should be some lip glosses and stuff. This one is some crafting supplies and crafting supplies. So these 2 are crafting supplies and these are some lip glosses. So we'll start with this one. Okay. All right. Let's try to open this. I can't open it with like one hand. Hold on. All right. So from this we have some. This is a mold. Some more molds. Oh, there's a box. Oh, okay. What's in here? Some mixers. Oh, that's nice. That's the stuff to like go in the resin. Some pipettes, a stirring stick, spoon, spatula. Okay, that's basically that. These seem to be okay. Wrong way. This way. Am I opening it right? Fuck, it's sealed. Okay, well, this is some paint. It's like metallic acrylics. Just cover that black. We have it in green, gold, red, white, silver. Seems to be some, oh shit, elastic, some elastic cord. Oh, and the blue. 2 yarn, I forget what it is called these, but yeah, 2 of these. Oh, it's little bottles. It's really cute. I could store stuff in this. These ones are too big to like make craft stuff with. A roll of glitter ribbon, I suppose. Wow. Oh, oh, it's loose. I guess this wasn't tied properly, but ooh, shit. Craft sticks. And these are cords, necklace cords. That's neat. And also some hairpins. Right. Just gonna tidy this up later. Onto the next one. Yes. These should be some painting supplies from Onions. Yes, let's just get in there. Oh, it's a box. Alright, we have some pastels, earth tones, some E6000, X-Acto blade, some pack of blades, and acrylics. Yes, acrylics. Neat. Gonna use the lid is empty. Yeah. Back in there before she gets her hand with those. And finally, box from Cluster Wool. Okay. Oh, it's glosses. My lighting is not doing these justice at all. So really nice. Oh, it's a card. Oh, the flavors: marshmallow, strawberry, strawberry kiwi, tropical punch, marshmallow, cherry, pomegranate, and kiwi. Oh. Well, I was going to get just a few of these for like my personal use, but then I told myself, hey, maybe I could like just retail these like one time. And I just bought a box, so if you guys are interested, let me know. Alright, and that is our haul. Lip glosses. Got these a while ago, but I've only just opened them because I want to do it on everything else. I have 2 more other packages coming in, but oh, they're not coming until mid-May or something, so just have to do with this stuff for now. Don't have any resin, so this entire pile is going to have to wait, and this would be for my clays. You guys will see that in another video. Bye.